Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. In class this morning I had a new student, and as she was introducing herself to the group she mentioned the fact that she was a teacher. I asked her what age groups she usually taught, and she said that basically she was happy to teach whoever the school she worked for asked her to teach, because in the current climate she's lucky to have a job at all. You probably know the idea of climate being used to talk about the weather. We often hear about climate change. Maybe you've heard of areas or countries that are famous for their warm climates. But we also use it just to talk about the present environment or atmosphere or situation that we're living through or working in. So you can say, in the current climate, I'm really glad that I actually have a job. You might say, the election was organised in a climate of fear and mistrust. Maybe your bosses tell you, I'm afraid that in the current economic climate, we won't be able to increase your wages for the foreseeable future. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about things that you think are happening or might happen or are not going to happen in the current climate, in the time that we're all living